Hi friends, I'm Flak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the audio. So, how to drop your own audio for your slide presentation in your Google Slides. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So, how to insert the audio in Google Slide? I just going to show in this video. So, first of all, open the Google Slide and click on this three dot, or open the Google Drive directly. Now the Google Drive has been opened. Now click on the plus symbol and create a new folder. So I just already created a folder called slide of content. I just opening it. So you should drop the audio file. You can't upload directly. You should drop. Why we just want to drop the audio file to the Google Drive? So if you are clicking on the insert option and clicking on the audio, so there is no option. You can't insert the audio from your computer directly, so you just need to use this drive to insert the audio. So in this my drive, I already inserted an audio, but it doesn't work. So first of all, some of the audio content only supported this Google Slide. You just want to check it while you inserting. You just want to play and confirm it while it's playing or not. So if it didn't play, so here I'm just going to open my PC and just going to drop this audio file. It's actually MP3. So you can see it's uploading and the audio is uploaded. Now you just go to the Google Slide where that you want to hear, and now click on the insert option, click on the audio and click on my drive and click on the content here. So I just now going to drop the MP3 file. This is MP3, so I just going to drop this. Now you can see it's MP3, so it's uploaded. Now just go and check to the insert audio again. Now it will be available. So already I said no, so you should only use the MP3, so it's easier to drop. So now the audio has been dropped to the Google Slide. You can just enlarge the speaker. So you can see the pop-up on the down which actually plays, and here you will have this option on click, start playing on click, or it should be automatically should be played. And you can also adjust the volume or hide the icon when presenting, or loop the audio, stop the slide changing, size and rotation option, the color adjustment, drop, shadow, reflection. There is a lot of the options are here. You can use any of one of this by using this option, and you can see how it's look like. Now you can also play, and you can just change by opening the open in drive, and you can also use the playback speed also. This is how you just insert the audio on your Google Slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.